if your YouTube videos are getting 0 views, it's not random, and also it's not bad luck, because one of these 3 signals is weak. And if you don't know which one it is, you can post consistently for months and nothing will change. In this video, I'm not giving you any motivation. I'm giving you a diagnostic system. YouTube doesn't reward effort, it rewards signals. And there are only 3 that actually matters: distribution, packaging, and retention. And let's break this down properly. Quick context: Mr. Beast is my favorite YouTuber. My son introduced me to him, and obviously it's not because of the money and it's not because of the scale, it's because he treats YouTube like applied psychology. He doesn't ask, is this creative? What he asks is, why would a stranger stay? And that question removes ego and it replaces it with structure. And that mindset shift is where most beginners go wrong. YouTube is not emotional, it's behavioral. It shows content, it measures behavior, and it adjusts distribution. If your videos are moving, the system is reacting to weak signals. Let's look at this at 3 levels. Level number 1 is distribution. Distribution is measured by impression, and impressions tell whether YouTube is even showing your videos. If impressions are low, you don't have a view problem, you have a demand or positioning problem. Distribution usually breaks for 3 reasons. First, your topic has no demand. Nobody is searching for it. YouTube has no clear audience to test it on. My week on YouTube obviously has no demand. Why my YouTube videos stop growing? Now there is tension, now there is a problem, and now there is a search intent. YouTube can test clarity, but it struggles to test vague ideas. Second is unclear positioning. If one video is about mindset, the next one about property, and the next one about random productivity tips, YouTube doesn't know who your audience is. And when the system is unsure, obviously has no reason to distribute it. Third, weak recent performance. YouTube works through feedback loops, low click-through rates, weaker signals, and obviously there will be fewer impressions next time. And that's not punishment, that's probability. If impressions are low, don't post more, try to fix the idea. Level number 2, packaging. If your impressions are healthy but views are low, your issue is click-through rate. That means people are seeing your videos and choosing not to click. And that's all about packaging. Your titles and thumbnails are not labels. I want you to think about them. This is how I am thinking. They are promises. And a weak promise will be something like this: how I learned YouTube. But a stronger one will be what I got wrong about YouTube growth. The second one creates curiosity, it implies insight, and it suggests that there is something to learn. Mr. Beast spends more time on idea and packaging than actually filming. Because without clicks, retention doesn't matter. Before I upload every single time, I'm asking this question: would a stranger click if they didn't know me? If the answer is no, I don't blame the algorithm. I am working to strengthen the promise. Level number 3, retention. If people click but your video stalls, the issue is retention. And retention is largely decided by the first 30 seconds. And most beginners start like this: hey guys, welcome back. Well, that will work for a channel who was in the game or YouTube for 10 years plus, because they already have an audience. Some of them have millions of subscribers. Of course, they can say that. But right now we have cold viewers, and cold viewers, they don't care yet. Instead, structure your opening like this. First 10 seconds, state the outcome, what they will get. The next 10 seconds, state the mistakes, what they are doing wrong. And the other next 10 seconds, state the roadmap, what are you about to show. Because clarity removes friction, and frictions increases drop off. Retention improves when uncertainty decreases, and that psychology is what YouTube matters. And when we think about social media, the first thought I have is always about the viewer. Now, here is a strategic layer. I'm currently doing a 30 days content challenge through StanStore, and I'm not doing it to prove that posting daily works. I'm doing it as a control experiment. One day I'll be focusing on hooks. 1 week I will refine my packaging. The third week I'm testing topping demands, and the fourth week I'm tightening my positioning. In mind, already I have this thought: no emotional posting. I want to work on structured testing because growth isn't random. I believe it's engineered. And sorry, but I don't believe the creators that they are saying that they blow up overnight. Never mind. Our topic, and if it's YouTube like a system, you remove the drama from it. And here is what I want you to do this week. Go to your last 3 videos, look at impressions, click-through rates, and average view duration. And I want you to identify the weakest level. Are low impressions. If you have low impressions, improve talking demands and clarity. If you have low CTR, improve your promises. And if you have low retention, rewrite your first 30 seconds. And you can do this one by one. Don't change everything. I want you to isolate the problem and test deliberately, and that's how serious creators grow. I gave you clarity. I would love to know what you are building. Are you growing a YouTube channel, building around a specific niche? What state are you right now? Tell me in the comments, because this channel isn't just me talking, it's a space where we build together and properly. Actually, also I'm documenting my 30 days process in real time, what works, what doesn't, and what I adjust. No hypes, no fake shortcuts, just structure and psychology and deliberate growth. If you want to grow your YouTube channel and build authority around your business, don't forget to subscribe. We are not guessing here, we are engineering growth, and we are building this properly. And I see you in the next video.